Hey love, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliza, if you didn't know. Okay, so I'm back with another video, with another review video, because I'm noticing y'all like my review videos, especially when they shoes. Well, I only do. Well, yeah, with my shoes, with my Crocs video, I got a lot of views. So I was like, okay, people told me to do more review videos concerning shoes, so I will. You know what I mean? I gotta spend money. I gotta spend money. It's okay. Okay, so as y'all can see in the title, I got the platform Chuck Taylor's black and white. Yo. Focus. There you go. So yeah, that's what I got. So y'all already know I'm gonna talk about the size and the price and how they fit, and I'm gonna show y'all how they fit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, so first and foremost, y'all already know what a Converse box looks like. So I literally haven't even unwrapped these shoes. This one yet, like this how it came. It came unlaced like that, but I laced this one up to the top. See the difference? But I haven't worn these outside. They're still clean. I had these for like a good month or so, like almost 2 months or a month. But I haven't worn them. Nowhere to go. Won't be going back to school, doing online school, so I don't know when to wear them. But okay, so the size that I got in these are a 7.5. Now the funny thing is, when I ordered these shoes, I thought that I had ordered these in an 8. So when they came in a 7.5, I was like, these shoes look tiny. But I fit them so good. Like I can fit them and they fit well with like cozy thick socks, with super thin socks, no socks. It fits very good. So this is how I figured out what size I needed. So these were in the women, so I wear an 8 in women, correct? So I wear an 8 in women. So I got some more Converse. I got these pink Converse, and these are in a size 7. But I usually wear a size 8 in women. But Converse runs big. At least for my feet it does. Like it runs big. Like when I tried to get an 8, they were super, super big. And I got these out of the store. So I tried these on in the store. And they were super big when I got an 8. So I got a 7 in these. My other Converse, I got, what is this? I can't see. A 7.5. A 7.5 in women. And then this one, I got a 8 in women. These now I feel like the only reason why I got these in a size 8 is because I didn't get these from Journeys. I got these from like a shoe depot, something like that. Like you see how it's like made weird. I got like a little thick little tongue and it stick back there. Like yeah. So these were from Journeys. These are from Journeys. I got these shoes from Journeys and I got these from Journeys too. So I was just comparing my size. That's what I usually do to all my shoes. I check with my other shoes to see like, okay, what size should I get? Like, you know. So I was like, and I tried them all on to see what fits best. And the pink ones will fit it best for me. So this is what I'm going to tell you. If you are a size 8 like me, in women, in all of your shoes, except for Converse. In Converse, I usually wear a 7, 7.5. So if you wear an 8 in all of your women, if you wear an 8 in women in all of your shoes, do as I did and get a 7.5. A 7.5 is good. Now, if you're like a 7 in women, get a 6 in women, 6.5 in women, not a 6, 6.5. So if you were a 7 in women, get a 6.5 in women. Okay. Now I'm gonna do it for the men's sizes because boys probably like these shoes too. So. Never mind, they only come in women's sizes. So if you're a guy, I would say, well, honestly, I don't know. Well, yeah, because Converse kind of work. So yeah, and now if you're a guy and you want these shoes, I would recommend getting your regular size, honestly. Because okay, think about it. In men, in men's sizes, I wear a 7, right? And in these, I wear a 7. In Converses, I wear a 7 in women, and in regular shoes, I wear a 7 in men. I'm trying to not confuse y'all. So like, if you're a boy and you want to get these shoes and you wear a regular size like 10, get a 10.5. not a 10, get a 10.5 in women. Yeah. And like, if the information that I'm telling you guys that is wrong for you, don't sweat it. Don't get mad at me because I ain't no expert. I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, help you out. But if it is wrong, you can always mail it back. Take it to Journeys. Call Journeys, you know, and they'll help you. You know what I'm saying? It's fine if you get the wrong size. It's okay. So yeah, let's talk about price. So I got these from Journeys. As I said, they're on sale right now. They are $69.99, so a good estimate of like $73. But once you, right now they got this thing going on, like once you log on to Journeys, go onto their app, and they'll send you this notification telling you that telling you to text this number and text whatever it tells you to say, and it gives you $5 off of your purchase. That if it's over $25, it'll give you $5 off of whatever you buy off of there. So these were $69, that's over for $25, so I got $5 off. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it like on my feet. This video real short and sweet. Ooh, did y'all hear that? Yo. With a regular sock that's kind of thin, just a little bit. I just like demonstrate how much room I got in here. So both of my 2 fingers fit. They move just a little bit, as you can see. My fingers are moving. I don't really know how to show y'all how much room I got in here, but yeah, they don't really bend as easy. Well, I guess they do. Never mind. Yeah, they fit pretty good. Now I'm gonna show y'all how it fits with a thicker sock on. So this is my thicker sock that I got on for like winter time, because this show is gonna get cold. It's October, so it's gonna get super cold. Now with these socks on, I literally have no room to fit my fingers back here at all. Like, it's not even down there. So it takes up all the space, but it's super cozy. It's not too tight, and it's like perfect. Okay guys, that is literally all for this video. But if you are still confused about what size to get, just like comment down below like y'all did on my last videos, and comment down what size you wear and this and that and the third, and I will help you. I'll put my mind to it and try to figure it out and help you. I don't mind. And while you are commenting down what sizes you guys wear, and you know what size you should get, this and that, go ahead and, you know, comment down some YouTube video ideas, because I need them. That's why I haven't really been posting for it, because I don't really know what to post. And plus I've been busy with school too, so if y'all want to update on my life, or like if y'all want to, y'all probably didn't care that much to have an update on my life. Anyway, just comment down some YouTube videos. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat, a.slayinn, a.slayinn with 3 N's. You can follow my Instagram, Aliza_, and yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it.